There are 15 hardcover books which I received for around 999. Congratulations and welcome back to another video on this channel Steps और स्नेहा। तो मैं कौन हूँ? स्नेहा। Now this is going to be an unboxing video जैसे मैंने लास्ट वीडियो में बोला था। अगर आपने वो चेकआउट नहीं किया तो you should. It is called the best websites to buy cheap books from. एंड मैं आई बटन में और डिस्क्रिप्शन में दोनों जगह लिंक डाल दूँगी, सो डू चेक दैट वीडियो आउट। सो Worthen.in से मैंने एक बुक पार्सल मंगवाया था एंड इट इज एक्चुअली इतना बड़ा है वो एंड इट्स क्वाइट हेवी। तो इसका ही अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो होगा आज। येस्टरडे दिस पार्सल केम इन मॉर्निंग में एंड आई वॉज बेसिकली आउट, सो रात में आई केम एंड देन इट वॉज लाइक कि मुझे डे लाइट में ही वीडियो शूट करना है। सो आई एम डूइंग दिस वीडियो राइट नाउ। मतलब पेशेंस लेवल अलग ही चल रहा है मेरा। आई विल शो यू हाउ द पार्सल इज एक्चुअली लुकिंग। द पार्सल इज ह्यूज एंड इट इज क्वाइट हेवी टू। सो नाउ वील स्टार्ट विद द अनबॉक्सिंग। अब ये पूरा पैकेज फाड़ना तो पॉसिबल नहीं है, सो इतना तो पड़ गया दैट आई कैन शो यू द बुक्स। लेट्स स्टार्ट। दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन, ब्रोकन हार्ट क्लब। कैन अ ब्रोकन हार्ट एवर बी फिक्स्ड? द बेस्ट थिंग अबाउट दीज बुक्स आर हार्ड कवर्स तो है, पर इसमें इन्होंने ना कवर भी चढ़ाया, प्लास्टिक कवर, सो खराब नहीं होंगे, राइट? एक्चुअली if you wanna read something or so this is number 1. Number 2 book is Hire to Grey Ladies. And yes, oh wow, great condition. Book is almost like this. If you wanna read the back. So number 2. Is too close to home. Sometimes the truth lies closer than you think. This is how it looks. Beautiful. I'm gonna read the back. And this plastic cover works best with drawn. Number 3. Okay, so number 4 is this. Nothing short of dying. This. If you wanna read the back. So this is book number 4. Book number 5 is my absolute darling, The Word Master. Nice. If you wanna read the back. The condition of the books are great. I mean, best conditions I would say. बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं है यार, कुछ भी खराब ही नहीं है। Okay, so how many books done? 5 done. More 10 to go. Okay, the next one is पूरा कचरा है। लेट मी जस्ट, उसमें काफ़ी डस्ट है, सो जस्ट क्लीन एंड देन कीप। सो नंबर 6 इज द साइलेंट बिटवीन ब्रेथ्स, वन डेडली सीक्रेट, द बैक। नंबर 7 इज द विंटर स्लीप वॉकर. I've never heard about these books, never ever in my life, but I'll be reading it. Oh, this is like soft. Let's see. Number 8. Shelter. The back.
Yeah.
Number 9 is Buried. The back. Number 10 is The Chase is on, Kill Me If You Can. Oh. Kill Me If You Can. Oh my god. Pictures are great, beautiful pages, I must say. Last 5 books. Okay. Number 11 is The Christmas Angel. See how cute the cover is, yeah. I just love it. Nothing on the back too. Number 12. Okay. The Times of Our Lives. If you wanna have a look at the book. Number 13 is wow. What is this? Enel Another Thing. This is part 6 of 3. इसके ऊपर प्लास्टिक नहीं है. Second last is Found Guilty at 5. Okay. The back. Last. If I Am Missing or Dead. This is interesting. Sounds interesting. The back. It's all. So these were all the 15 books that I have received, and I literally dreamt yesterday that all of them are not 15 hardcover books. The 5 hardcovers and all of them were paperback books, but it's not like that, and I am happy right now. I'll just show you the books. So 5 and 5 and 5. Okay, so these were all the 15 books that I received from Virgin.in. So these are 15 hardcover books which I received for around 999 rupees. Now, when you're buying books from any website, there are mainly 4 things which you have to keep in mind while buying it. पहला तो जो रेट होता है वो MRP से नीचे ही हम लेंगे. Of course, we need discounts and stuff, but still make sure that you are buying it at a great rate. Next is service. Great. Next is service. Now, Virgin.in से मुझे I will give like 100 on 100 to them for their service, because क्या हुआ था कि जो कोरियर कंपनी थी उनको शायद मेरा घर नहीं मिला था, something like that. And then last video में ऐसा सेट कि मुझे लग रहा है कि I have to go there and pick the books myself. But then Virgin.in contacted me and they were like they will contact this company, the courier company, and they will make sure that वो मेरे घर पे आ जाए. So एक बार और डिलीवरी हुई, उसके बाद भी नहीं हो पाया, and then finally yesterday it came in. So उनकी सर्विस इज A1 if you see in this case. Next is quality of books that comes in. Quality में भी 2 चीज़ होती है, the cover of the book and then the pages of the books. Now cover तो best है, मतलब look at the hard cover. मतलब सिर्फ hard cover नहीं है, उसके ऊपर plastic है which will like protect the book. So this will go on for like ever. And next pages are brilliant. Look at the pages. The लगेगा ही नहीं कि यार ये तो पुरानी है, something like that. Of course the books are quite old, but then you should read all kind of books. So मैं books में ना ध्यान नहीं देती कि वो कौन सी book है. It's just that I don't read history books other than all the books I read. So these were 4 main points जो मैं ध्यान रखती हूँ. So I got these books at a very good rate, and मैंने actually name of the books are given on the website. तो मैं यहाँ पे डाल दूँगी एक screenshot उधर का. So you can buy books there. You'll get 30 paperback books at $9.99, and you'll get 15 hardcover books. Then there are like 4 books for $500 or something like that. Check the website out. You will get 100 rupees में बहुत सारे books मिल जाएंगे. So yes, you should always look for the books. So these were the 5 things जो मुझे लगता है कि you should keep in mind while buying the books, and जो मैंने भी ध्यान रखी है. Also, I got Preeti Shinai की latest book When Love Came Calling from Amazon, and even this came in yesterday, and this is my first signed copy. Haha. Of course, कॉपी प्रिंट वाला है सब, बट है ना साइन कॉपी. हाँ, बस इतना हो गया. So I have to read this book too. I have actually completed that book, and I'll be starting with this. I have actually started with this book. Like मेरे से वेट नहीं हो रहा था. I'll tell you which book. Okay, so I've started with this book. Good Vibes, Good Life, suggested by one of my friends. It was like अच्छी बुक है, पढ़ लो. मैंने बोला. So अगर ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो डू लाइक द वीडियो, सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल, कमेंट डाउन कि तुमने यहाँ से कभी सर्विस ली है या नहीं, एंड इफ़ यू हैव तो टेल मी how was your service. Also, I own a website, shalshanasneha.in. So if you're interested in reading books and more stuffs, so you should always check out that website. Link will be in the description box below. Also, you can follow me on Instagram. वहाँ पे मैं updates डालती रहती हूँ, like all the books that I'm reading. There are many websites, there are many Instagram handles that sell books, and you can buy books from there too. So मैं वहाँ पे भी उनके links डालती रहती हूँ कि if you need like cheap rate पे books, then you can always prefer those websites or those Instagram handle. अगर यार books पढ़नी है ना तो second hand books भी चलती है. So it's never like you need first hand. It's always good to have second hand books. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then,